Welcome to DaTo. Here today we are going to have a diagnostic section on Toyota RAV4. The problem which we have in this car is the sunroof is not initialized properly. They had repaired the sunroof. Unfortunately, there is a initialization need to be taken care. So let's go inside the diagnosis, and it's a Toyota. So these are all the models which are provided. So it gives a vehicle coverage. If you need to understand the vehicle coverage, you can check over here. So we will just go okay. And it's a GCC vehicle. So here selected GCC over here, Europe and others, and the vehicle is 4-wheel drive without smart key. So this is the complete data of the vehicle. So the travel mileage of the mileage of the vehicle has been given here as well, 4,30,000 kilometers. And here we have system scan, system selection, and then choose to scan. Okay, first we will go to system scan. So when we select smart scan, it will check what are the system available on the vehicle, and also it will check the faults code in it, so that will be easy to understand. The tool was really fast, you can check it out. So currently we had already got the full details, and now we will have a report of it. So here we have solar sensor unit, which is for the air condition unit, and then sliding roof initialization is there. So we'll save the data. We'll clear the DTC. So we have sunroof initialization is there. So let's go inside, enter. So we have a fault code still available there, which need to be initialized. Then we have a special functions, roof ECU initialization. So it gives a detailed explanation how to do the initialization details and all. So these are the steps which need to be followed. So these are the functions which need to be taken care. Like there should not be any dust on the guide rail, and then the vehicle should not be driven, or we cannot open the door at the time of initializing these things. So these steps need to be taken care. And first one, procedure 1, auto slide open and close till the function do not work. Here these are the problems which are there. Something like in the procedure A is saying that if the slide is open and closing but tilt function is not working, in that case we will go for procedure A. Procedure B is something like the sunroof glass doesn't stop in a correct position when you are pressing it. It has a stop pinch position, so it's not stopping in the correct position. And procedure B is that when we are selecting the switch to open or close, it is doing in the opposite direction. In this case, we need to go for procedure C. So now we are going to procedure B. Now manually we had, as we said to you, manually we had completed the calibration procedure. Now we are clearing the fault. So once we are clearing the fault, we will check again. The fault is completed. So this is how we do the calibration procedure for the sunroof calibration from the DaTo DAS723. The sunroof error is already completed. Then we will also see how to clear this owner issue in the next part.